Welcome to Rwandapedia. The Rwandapedia website presents information to students, researchers, journalists, public servants, and policymakers in an understandable and easily accessible manner. Archive files related to various topics can be accessed by clicking on Documents, Images, Videos, or Audio. In the search field, viewers will enter the topics of interest. The Explore button caters to the user who wants to browse the site and learn more about Rwanda. The viewer is able to access their homegrown solutions.
Nari ndi umukene bada amafaranga 60,000. Aya mafaranga nagiye nkoresha gatumye mbona inzu ya negisi y'imiryango enye, gampa niyi inzu nini ifite nk'agaciro ka miliyoni enye, nubaka n'inzu ku muhanda ntibuza agaciro ka miliyoni nk'itatu canke ebyiri kubera ariyo ku muhanda. Ubwo uri kumva rwose ubuzima kuri nje bwagenze neza, bwangendekeye neza.
When visiting the Getting Up page, the viewer is still able to access the other homegrown solutions. This page is divided in different sections, with the first one being an image gallery related to this topic. The feature video section allows the user to view interviews or documentaries presenting the topic.
Nari umuntu w'umukene ukennye cyane. Mbereye ku nka bampaye mfite amazu imiryango 3 ikodeshejwe. N'utundi turyango dukodeshejwe twishyura leta, umusoro wa leta tukijana Rwanda revenue. Mfite indi miryango 2 yo nkoramo ibyo kurya. Mfite n'indi miryango 3 y'inyuma nanone nkoramo ayo kurya.
The overview section offers a snapshot of the program with a few words presenting the historical background and main characteristics of this program. A drop-down tab system is used to display the thousands of words of information written. The feature statistics section highlights key facts and figures about the topic. This graph for Getting Up shows the number of cows distributed by province each year since the program began. This space allows users to see related institutions. The last and important feature is the Contribute option. By using the Contribute form, the user will share directly with the Rwandapedia team more information on the topics presented on this site. Thank you for visiting Rwandapedia.